Hello guys, welcome back to TLN app. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix RedNote app sound problem. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with the RedNote app here and you're getting those sound problems, well, what you can do here is you want to check a few things. So first things first is when you first open the app and you notice that your sound is always turned off, then it means that you might have turned on a specific feature for this one. So you want to go ahead and open up the RedNote app. And you want to go ahead and go to your profile. So go to the bottom right here, in this case the Me tab. You want to go and click on the gear icon you see at the right side here. And from here you want to go to General Settings. Now under General Settings you want to go ahead and look for the Silent Play option. And you want to make sure that this is actually turned off. Now what that setting does is whenever you open up, in this case the RedNote app here, this will play videos in mute. So you won't be able to hear anything. But if you want to keep this feature here and you don't want to be surprised with whatever sound that when you first open up the app here, what you could do is when that happens, you just need to adjust the volume. So I'm just going to home here. I'm going to play a random video here. And from here, what you need to do is you just need to press the side buttons, the volume up and down, or volume up or down button here. And that should actually update the sound and you should be able to start hearing from the actual app. But yeah, so if there's totally no sound coming from the app itself, what I recommend you try doing here is to make sure that it's fully updated. So you want to go open up Google Play Store, search for RedNote, and if you do see any update, click on the update button. And from that on, restart your phone once the update is complete. Now, you could also clear your cache. So how do you do that? You could just need to press and hold on the RedNote app, click on the eye icon here, and you want to go ahead and click on Clear Data at the bottom right here, and click on Clear Cache, click on OK. And from here on, restart RedNote, and from then on, see if that solves the issue. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to TLN app. Thank you for watching.